Hey everybody, welcome. I'm going to show you how to use the reindeer candy cane holder, how to create your candy cane holders for stocking stuffers or holiday and party favors, different little gifts that you like to give. Super simple, super easy, very economical. So the things you'll need a regular scissors, a glue stick or regular double stick tape, some regular Scotch tape, and then 2 candy canes for each of the reindeer that you choose to make. So 2 candy canes per reindeer. So basically what you do is you begin by cutting out your reindeer. And I'm just gonna take and cut this one out first and set the other one aside for a minute. And I'm just gonna cut around the outside of my reindeer. Now I have included in the purchase on my Etsy shop a PDF file and a PNG file. So if you want to use like a Cricut or a Silhouette to cut out your little reindeer guys here, you can do that. And basically, you can see it doesn't take very long to even just cut these out by hand. Just follow the outside line. And again, these can be found in my Etsy shop, which is Fun Party Printables Co. C-O, in the holiday Christmas section. Okay, so I've got my little reindeer guy cut out. Now, you can choose to use the little Merry Christmas and the Holly if you want. If you don't want to, that's fine too. I'm going to show you what it looks like with it. So again, I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out my little holly with the berries here. So I've got that. And then I'm just going to cut out my little Merry Christmas here. I am going to leave it attached. I'm going to leave that little white piece in between just so that it stays attached. It's going to be easier to glue it onto my reindeer than if I cut the whole thing out separately. So I'm going to kind of go back and get my little spots here. Now again, if you have a Cricut or Silhouette cutter, you can just throw this on there and make as many of these as you like for personal use and gifts and party favors and all that good stuff. All right, let's get this tiny little white piece off of there. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue stick. Again, you can use some double stick tape if you want to and just add a little double stick tape. I'm going to add a little bit of glue stick just on the back. And again, if you don't want to add these, you don't have to do that either. It's totally fine. So I'm going to glue my little Merry Christmas on there. And I think I'll put these up by his ear. And then what you do is you simply take your candy canes and I'm going to kind of place them so that they're above the ears. like antlers. And I'm going to hold it in place. I'm just going to tape them down so that they don't move around on me. And there you go. So I have this really cute little party favor, little stocking stuffer, you know, just a cute little gift for someone who you just want to give something to somebody, just to say you appreciate them or you're thinking of them at the holiday season.